Yoga poses to soothe sciatic pain. Begin with Dandasana. Lie down in Shavasana. Fold your legs and lift your hips up to Setu Bandhasana. Lie back in Shavasana. Lift your right leg up and hold your toe in Ananthasana. Lie down in prone position with your legs extended and arms by your side. Exhale, lift your chest and legs off the ground, keeping your hips pressed down in Shalabhasana. Come to tabletop pose, and while transforming from downward facing dog pose, bring your right leg forward to Kapotasana. Now bend forward and stretch your back. Relax in Shavasana. Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy.